Hey there everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to this week's Motivation Monday. In today's video, I'm going to do a house reset on a Sunday. I dedicated a Sunday morning to resetting the house, getting everything ready for the week ahead, and I'm going to share it with you. So as I said, it was an empty house and I took full advantage of that. So I thought I'll start upstairs in the boys' bedrooms while they're not here. I'll be able to give them a good tidy up. So I started off by just tidying, decluttering, getting all the toys off the floor and just generally making their rooms much more presentable. Then I wanted to do the bedding in the boys' bedrooms. Cooper's bedding doesn't need changing because it's actually pretty clean and fresh on. So I'm just going to shake it out a bit and put it back on. He has recently upgraded to a duvet and a pillowcase. As you can see, this special bedding has a zip-up duvet and the pillow is sewn on as well. It is called the Grow to Bed by the Grow Company, if you would like to know. Next up, I'm just going to dust in Cooper's room as well, so I'm just going to clear his surfaces. I'm going to use the Fabulosa polish and a microfiber cloth, and I'm just going to dust all of the surfaces. I love this polish because it smells so good.
I promise you that we learn through the wrongs. Sweet. Just close your eyes.
So first boys' bedroom is done. Now to move into the next one, which is a little bit more messy. So I'm just going to move all of these toys off this chair. I have no idea what they're doing on there. It was probably Cooper that did that, to be fair to Leo. He is a pretty tidy little boy most of the time. And there's some craft things here on the floor, which I'm just going to tidy up as well. Generally just going to move around, tidy up and declutter just like I did in Cooper's bedroom. And I'm just going to dust the surfaces. There's a lot more surfaces in Leo's room, so it does take a little bit longer. And there's so much stuff which makes it so fiddly, but I'm just trying to do it as quickly and efficiently as I can.
I'm in for the fight. It's gonna take some time, but I know that beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me
As I said, I do want to do fresh bedding today as well, even though Cooper didn't need any. The rest of us are going to have some. So I'm starting in our bedroom. I've stripped the sheet and now I'm putting the new bedding onto the bed as well. I always get asked where we get our bedding. I get all of our bedding from Dusk, which I highly recommend. The quality is always second to none. So I've just put the clean bed linen on, and then I will just put the cover over the bed as well and the two display pillows, which Clint thinks are pointless, but I absolutely love them. And then I will spray down the bed with the Fabulosa fabric spray as well.
The wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up.
Final bed to be changed now, and my least favourite one to do. As you can see, it's very awkward. I usually just climb up and chuckle his bedding on the floor and then do it all down there, but oh my gosh, putting the fitted sheet on up there is always so tricky. I hate doing it, but the beds do need to be changed, so I'm just going to crack on and get it done as quickly as I can.
I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke, and I will try to fix what has been broken, and take this weight off my shoulders, cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold.
Okay, next job for my Sunday reset is laundry. I'm going to take the laundry from upstairs, pop it in this big blue basket, and then I will carry all of that downstairs. I'm going to do a whitewash. I always do a whitewash on a Sunday because we need this for Leo's school uniforms. We need all of his white shirts done. So I'm just in a real habit of doing a whitewash every Sunday. I make sure I put a stain pounder in there as well for obvious reasons, because they are whites and they're usually covered with all sorts of stains.
Feels like things are gonna go my way.
While the washing machine is on, I'm just going to pop back upstairs and get the upstairs hoover, and I'm going to hoover the carpets in the bedrooms. I'm just going to go through all of the bedrooms, well, apart from the spare room. I won't bother with that because no one's been in there. And I'm just going to hoover all of the carpets, and then after I've done that, I will go over them with a little bit of the Fabulosa carpet fabric upholstery spray, whatever you want to call it, because it makes me feel so much better when I've done that. The room always smells amazing and it makes me feel really productive.
Open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
The next job I wanted to do on this reset was the toilets. I'm not going to do the bathrooms as a whole because it will take me so long. I'm just going to focus on the toilets. I live with 3 boys, so I like to do the toilets as often as I can. So I'm just using the Flash bathroom spray and a blue microfiber cloth, blue for the loo, and I'm going to clean the toilets thoroughly and the floors around the toilet as well. Again, I live with boys, so that just goes without saying. So I'm just going to do the downstairs toilet. I will also do the upstairs toilet. I will do the ensuite toilet, but I won't do the spare bedroom toilet because, as I said, no one has been in there.
You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Okay, my list of jobs is done. I have cleaned my hands and I'm going to put on the slow cooker. I love to do a slow cooker on a Sunday because it means you can sit back, chill, and know that dinner is ready and waiting for you. I'm going to do a chicken and chorizo pasta for me and all of the boys, so the kids and the grown-ups will all eat together today. So I'm going to cut up the chorizo first of all, then I'm going to cut up a red pepper as well, and I will cut up some bacon. All of this will be going in the slow cooker in just a moment.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling.
But before anything goes in the slow cooker, you do need to brown it off. So I'm just going to brown off the diced chicken breast. I will add in the chorizo and the bacon, make sure that's just browned off as well. And then after the chicken is sort of half cooked through, I'll add the red pepper also and just give that a stir through for a minute. When everything is browned off, it doesn't have to be cooked fully, but just a little bit brown, I will pop it into the slow cooker.
It's falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Then I'm just going to add some passata and a Lloyd Grossman pasta sauce, which always tastes delicious. And then I'm going to put the lid on and I'm going to leave it till dinner time when I will cook pasta and we'll eat it as a family. But that was my Sunday reset. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in my next one.